Day 61 of my weight loss journey. Did kettlebell swings. It targets the shoulder, the glutes, basically some core of the upper body. I did this for the second time right now because I want to not force it. Last time I did was my back almost gave out, and right now I can feel some sting on my back. But yeah, maybe I can do this 2 times a week. Take my main goal for right now is to really workouts per week, like day 1, day 2, day 3 of the week. I know what workouts that I will need to do. Yeah, my focus is some boxing, but I really want to play basketball again on a good level. So after my shoes are fixed, I will make sure to do plyometrics and some dribbling for some shooting and some layup drills. So that's the main goal for the upcoming weeks or months. Feel good on the weekend. I think I can manage my eating habits. So last 3 days, I managed to like eat just 1 cup per meal of rice. So I think that's good. That's a good step. Sometimes I go for 1.5. So yeah. Yeah, so that's day 61. See you on day 62.